funny thing is that I had been scouting in Dublin and Cork and Galway, and it was a kind of wet Thursday night in my own town that I stumbled in and found these guys.
We'd been practicing as a four-piece for 3 months and no one knew what we were doing, and we had something like 5 or 6 songs. Around that Christmas time we decided that we needed another voice, another instrument, and we knew all about Lynchy from playing music with his brother in town, and we liked him as a person. And the boys went to school together, so we asked Lynchy to kind of get involved with us.
I really wanted to work. I wanted to have a work ethic. And even when they sat me down to have that conversation about how serious they were, I knew I was in the right group, you know, because it's exactly what I wanted. At the right time as well. I was eager to get into a group at that stage, you know.
They had made an early recording, a bunch of recordings, 4 songs. That still, to me, to this day, is probably one of the best recordings they ever made.
When we first started out, we used to go up to Dublin and do the gigs there, and there used to be busloads of people coming up from Mullingar to see us play in Dublin, and I think that like kind of helped, like the people in Dublin that used to come and see us play, to be like, what's going on here? What's all this fuss about? Why are these people here to see this band? So then we started to get more people from Dublin to watch us.
The gig that I felt most affected by after I played it was supporting AC/DC, because of the week beforehand there was a bit of all this controversy over whether we were the right band to play, support them and all that. For me anyway, touring was, I don't know if I have any kind of specific moment. I love the moments of playing live, and then, you know, even if it's just in a room full of 10 or 20 people, it's just the energy. That was the thing that got me all the time, you know. It wasn't anything else. It wasn't about playing in massive groups or anything. Or groups of people. Like, it was always because I knew that we were a really good live band. There was only a couple of moments maybe in our whole. I felt that as in our live show that we actually were, not that we were really really tight, but there were moments there that we were connecting into something higher than actually just the 5 of us playing. You know, we were tapping into this kind of this energy. You know. I had a couple of moments where I think, this is it, like, you know, this is it, like, you know, and that didn't matter. That could have happened to me in a rehearsal room.
You know, like when you're playing on a stage like that and you see maybe 40 or 50,000 people looking at you, and that the hairs go up on the back of your neck, it's an amazing feeling. The way that the Blizzards wrote and rehearsed songs were, if it didn't work in a live environment, then it wouldn't get recorded. When you got 5 guys or whoever many in the band would click together, and that's just like it's like having an extra person on stage. And of course, when the audience participates and they're feeding off of what you're doing, that's where the live thing comes from. So that's probably why we were. Why we won those awards. It was just a mad thing. It's an honour to actually, for your peers to actually think of you in such a way.
Yeah, get up, yes, here we go again, give you more, nothing lesser. Back on the mic is the antidepressant. Hard rock, no pressure, yes we need this. The best is yet to come in, yes believe this. Let go my echo, while I flex my EO. Sip on Prosecco, dressed up tuxedos in my coffin playing Keno. In the casino, want a lucky number, ask my Dino.
I'm on a competition like a flamethrower. My rhymes age like wine as I get older.
2 testes.
Competition is waning. I got the ball in a single lane. A party on the right, we on a party.
Let's see now.
It would have expanded the band, obviously, from 4 to 5. But
Popular election, get paid every year like my perfection. Rotary connection, taking MCs down, but leave the rap rejection.
Myself, we messed around crying out loud. Sobbing phone. Sorry.
I'm just whipping when I catch MCs. It's time for wing clipping.
I fly like a hawk, or better yet an eagle, a seagull, sniff suckers out like a beagle. My ego is off and running and going.